Good morning, Mr. President, and good morning, Ghana. Mr. President, I am worried. Mr. President, me are disturbed, scandalized, and in fact, as a citizen, Ghana, on behalf of over 30 million Ghanaians, and I pay, there was serious concern. For Ghana over 64 years. Now, adiebi koso Ghana mu ya nhwe ya no back and forth to say we will all destroy this country, Ghana. John Dramani Mahama ebetra Ghana konya so in 2013 about 2012 specifically somewhere the late 2013 2014 and a doom so started here. Mr. President, and I want to me Ghana for on behalf of the over 30 million Ghanaians, we address you on issue of doomso. Doomso ye kan wasem yang nyina monkania the back and forth ye nyina ya babedu ewo my Ghana mu. And that is exactly what Ghana for, Mr. President, and I pay your person address on. Adia on my Ghana edi enya your politics ewo my Ghana mu. 2014 doomso started here, the late 2013 2014 doomso started here. Ye nyina na wa Ghana ha, NDC was in power, MPP was in opposition. Doomso started here, dear Ghana here when we had the technical men eba bonten kasa adiano generation adiano ska, we had the MPP sitting at the bench in opposition, throwing all the missiles with all the expectations and with all the expertise, ideas, in fact, rich ones. Ghana, so be opposition, Oniminyansa. Ideas or the beba, fantastic. Onyambetra bemwa, nasa ideas na eyaya. Mr. President, there is one thing, Ghana for nyina, and none of pain, yes. And that is exactly what we need to look at. Doomso sign another serious discussion for the country. In 2014, Omainu Rasa mu millions of cities and a co-waste, thousands of jobs and you lose to the sense of school for near Kota ATM banks and him and an isuan there. Holistically, saw mine, yan kaya tramom, emo be anywhere, or trans say this is a national canker, yan come home as a citizens, now you're dealing with it. MDC foresaw Omo Diafa, they started in the defense. MPP, saw Omo Diafa, they started the attack. Incompetent. Yaba MNC, Yaba Enye, to the extent they say, in the year 2015, there was a gargantuan demonstration. Yatunidi Wongbo demonstration, one of the biggest ever demonstration. All because na doomso unity. Yet what happened? Joma was a Ghana, Joma, and that was a demonstration, one of the biggest demonstrations. MPP, all because no doomsaba. At the time, Ananka, you hear collective ideas, and indeed it was so terrible. Na bad. I say Ghana, ya nieme nyina say Juma bebre gui, and it was true. Na bad. Mr. President, yenya collective ideas. Say the ideas rimpo baya. It was because we wanted near person political partake of it. Yenya's political sympathy be. Dr. Bawumia, the then former Bank of Ghana deputy governor, Anwaba, no running mate, with all the wonderful press conferences, with all the wonderful lectures, or Kasevia, Ujahana was here good, now Edanem Pompo, and everybody, oh Bawumia, with ideas. Was see, the NDC government is competent in perpetuating Dumso. At that time, the now vice president of the republic was see NDC a very competent in say the only competency of the NDC and they say Dumso bagana.
That His Excellency the President will complain about the use of the word incompetent. But we understand that His Excellency does not want us to use the word incompetent to describe the performance of this government. So we set aside to find ways. We set our minds to finding out what other what the NDC government has been very competent at in the last 7 years. Actually, we have to admit that this NDC government is very competent at the following. This government is very competent at perpetuating Dumso.
Abuza for where Dr. Bawumia. What we are Mahama so dabi. Had no problem with her. One more can be a sinner so Ghana. You'll be ready to obey because now you will be a person winning. The MPP want to win political capital out of it. Mahama said dabi. Dumso abandoned by 2015. And this was somewhere December 2014. Was it by 2016? Dumso Bejai, John Mahama Numasim, the then president.
The year 2015 will be one filled with fruitfulness, joy, peace, good health, and development. Now, this is the interesting part. It will be one in which we banish darkness from our land. Bishop, I've added that prophecy. It will be one in which we banish darkness from our land and put an end to Dumso forever.
And that is the former president, John Dramani Mahama. The former energy minister. In fact, at the time he was part of us, he was an expert. Except very good knowledge energy management. Ghana for so NDC for 2016 Dumso Besaba. Na Ghana for so debi. Said Mahama ye pe dia ye fa praye. The pride pra Mahama chi all because oba biemu a what did Dumso beba in 2016. This is Boache Jako. Nana do dan kwako for Dubai and say no, you are competent. You are now my energy minister. Yente Boache Jako. Then you know
there is increased uncertainty about the future stability of power supply under the NDC government. And many businesses and residential consumers of electricity are justifiably afraid that Dumso will come back if the NDC is retained in power, as it has not demonstrated any measure of control in addressing the challenge.
But the then opposition member and Obabeye energy minister. Nana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo 2016 Ghana for overwhelmingly more than 1 million na to Abama MPP. The biggest record in the history of the Republic of Ghana. So opposition and over 1 million. A sitting government for the first 4-year term. So can't get away from the country because you are such an incompetent, you are such an personal, you have lost control over Ghana. And indeed, Ghana for overwhelmingly at Wabadima NPP. Mr. President, Obaye in 2018, State of the Nation address now, so I have ended Dumso.
Of an electronic payment system, especially for salaries and utilities. The revamping of our economic and social infrastructure is on course. Dumso has ended through the improvement of financing, generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical power.
We are the president of the republic in 2018. Mr. President, Dumsor has ended, and we are grateful. In 2016, at least, and also 2017, 2018, 2019, a lot of issue has started. Now, Obia started in the first Ghana for the year 2021. What greeted Ghanaians the issue of Dumsor. Mr. President, 4 years on, what has happened in the country? At the NSC, we are calling for collective ideas. And I'm not paying me point I'm a person making. Mr. President, here is my address to you. Everybody is now talking about, oh, let us collectively address it as a country. Now, Mr. President, where were these brains, good ideas? Which should I say? Mr. President, say I'm here so my Ghana. Near the Ghana and Samia Manosam and this MPP. Yes, say woman at the Dokonqua. Under no circumstances are President Fie, Domama Fie, Vice President Fie, and Penifo Fie, Sadum Sebeka or Mo, Ebinsi. Ghana better sumu 10 years a crana, some Penifo Fie, you numerated that. But me mami what Santa Market na on this car one city crown on the bottom on an home bachelor. How can we collectively as a country? Na ye nyina kaya humom. Na yen discuss national issue as national issue. Na ye di bibia politics. Owura Peter Mewu. The then energy minister was say Dumsor to be over by April 12. Amawu ode insemi tuja just last year, yeah.
Mr. Vice President, I have an opportunity to visit the site, and I can assure the good people of this country that work is progressing. The best thing we can do is to make sure that we speed up this process. And I can assure them that by the 12th of April, we will complete the tie-in.
Now you have the energy minister, Ora Matthew Opoku Prempeh, was a systematic shutdown to cure more Dumsor. Now Dumsor na eba so no wo mu dundum nkane nkakra said ye be ya Dumsor na emakra 7th April ya na nano napo Matthew Opoku Prempeh okoka asasemi.
The month of May, around my birthday, there's going to be, I wonder what a birthday present I'm going to get. There will be systematic power outages. So we have invited both ECG and GridCo. And in the light of that, let's set a plan and communicate the people who will be affected way before it happens.
Now, Abusafo, Dr. Opoku Prempeh, the energy minister. Yabuabia Samoa, member of parliament and communication director, a former member of parliament and communication director for the MPP. None woman make us also Dabi MPP do so way different from the NDC there. Ghana.
I think the officials in the sector and the politicians must accept that. This is the kind of situation where if you are in opposition, you sweet. If you are in government, you are hot. And it could easily be the other way around, because the opponents would then jump on you and say, we told you so. You couldn't control, you said we couldn't control Dumsor. Now you are giving us Dumsor. And then the incumbent, that's we, are trying to explain, oh, this is a different kind of Dumsor. But then the user still believes that I don't have light, deprive me of light. So the clear difference that this is not going to be sustained. And this, on the scale it happens, obviously cannot continue to happen. That's why I'm saying it's not going to be sustained. It's a different kind of thing where whole swathes of the country go off. And it hasn't been as consistent as often as it was before.
For way Abuabia Samoa, was say we almost do so way different. Na MPP were here they defending. For now no Mr. Budu, Ajima Budu, our ECG boss and Kasa. I was at the press conference of Bel Kumasi. Or say nkania Dumsor ayehui. One the also say nye Dumsor. E maintenance omo ye and nkania ne koye say ne koba. Say ebejaya this by December and ombetima yen siesie nkania omo twen siesie omo ye no omo poso ni ade nyina. Mr. President, one question per any ebisa. Da ben any nyina ba dwen say wo man. MPP stro so obeka so Dumsor aba. Na NDC fonso aso de abose wo ho. ene se dum so anyai ye tramu oh MP NDC ba you have MPP in opposition ono so attack na che se Ghana no ye born boss na ye de ba. For once as a country, Mr. President, can we stop politics with your health issues, with your energy issues, and holistically address issues as a country? Now, o mind to me who say, "Adie bi oho ayamfa nya politics." Ghana, ye di bibia your politics how to understand say, "Aduane ye die e politics." We better the same material the ama NDC ni MPP hu enye fe. The same material no MPP ni sha dia oh enye fe. NDC ni be kwa akoto material MPP ni ehyebi oh ne de ne nye fe. Ono ne de efe. Che se Ghana ebusafo aden. On my ben ye timu a virtually everything eye aban no obi tie akira ekwan ya me fa so a me ba power me ba ne no kwa na me dwen. Anope Mr. President awurade ehiraw baby anyame de watifie duo ni baby o my Ghana obi anim se nana ado danko akofado oba no waye bibi ma ye nyina. You have done a lot from free SHS and in Yama Bebre. You've taken intervention. What do job at to her for Galamsey any ade. For once, can you set a good pace? Ewa Ghana say, Adiebi oha, me as a president, my admit it, we have failed. Dumso ebia esamba, we lost control. Yantimi anye Nemom holistically as a mind. Can somebody swallow the pride? Na ye nyina tenase ni adwen say. How do we deal with our national issues? So, to me, boy, status idea na Ghana. Ya nya politics sebi. Omaya, ewia, ebo Ghana, ewia bo Ghana abo di oni hodie. No way. I was Scandinavian country. One of the areas ufri ho ko nowhere Finland nie. Na cha se wadu epono ano epono ne bibia ebom. Epono eni ayi asase bom. Enti awia ba kokra mo omu use solar. More than 60% of our power generation in nano is solar. Wind energy binumo dem frama generate power. On my Ghana statistically your source of generation hydro ne thermal plant ni nyina ka bomu about 98 about 99%. We want you cry less than 2% of renewable energy. Solar, we can wind, ene ibibia bomwa. Aden EDNS or my Ghana. Mr. President, me can say in one of your address, State of the Nation, who can say all government institutions, including the Flagstaff House, the Mofrasie, congratulations and thank you to that effect. Mobile ni solar and ministries. Abeduma nyina mo bayi ni nyina de akosola awia boga na body eni ho de enso yentimi nya kanea besia ba. The last time Greekofo chechiri mo say the whole Ghana we had the middle belt any generation ni nyina ye fa edi free the southern side enti yensuo ye bibibia no ye twe kanea na ye de ba betwam Asante region ansa na yetimi edi akọ emia hodo. Edie ni ebetima yen Asante region ni aye solar afuo kese na nke guso aban bi aba no abie na no wakasa keke ene yebeye solar Mr. President, in your manifesto you added yebeye solar. NDC in their manifesto they added yebeye solar. Can we sacrifice a bit for the country? Nanka ye hukiga na nyina ede agusola so eno nko awie abo ne bo eden. Yes, to start, but of course we will win one day. Until say you bet me decide, I take a bold decision. You swallow your pride, you swallow your shame. Say on mine collectively, near NDC MPP in politicizing everything. We will continue. Dum so be sa basa. Enye dum so na eden. Imagine. So we sorry ano park ani edum. O ba wi edum. Udu anwumere edum. Sesia yen engineers expert ni nyina ya dane atrofo because ene Mr. Bedu mi hwa no kana no ho kra ye mbobo obi akasasi obo kada ebiem obi ani bibi akabiem they obi akasasi they have nothing to say again. because we have a problem as a country. And the politics, brabra so. Can we all accept to say, oh my Ghana, we are failing? So our mind. Me say, we are Ghana, a bibremu, we are signa, a Ghana kamia, we are bopa northern region. Ah, a dear uncle here. We had to be boha me case about 5 years ago, me caught Tamale. And see a ye boo pipe now, at the side the young ones you see. And so you solar Ghana, yen renewable energy, less than 2% as a country. What a shame! What a shame! Oh my God! What a shame! Say yen sure wind and answer solar. Yen ni ba kokura busu ye sorry a. Ni edwa yenum so man. Mr. President, do the next 4 years away, legacy abetime Jan Ghana. And it's a take up a bold decision. You will be remembered for free SHS, yes, Mr. President. But enu free wa. Your legacy. Free SHS is your legacy. Obient me fem free wo. Obient me ntim free wo. Why are there more? But mama ye politics. Leave Ghana and legacy say President Ibaye Solar wetimi huku Ghana part of the country e dia call. Na 4 years aka. And one president I address. We are only one president. The 1992 constitution, no, Emma would to me as a president of the republic. Into one as the address. You knew be a your Mahama, why ye na Ghana for Pamono? Sisi Amona Moteso. Mr. President, can we as a country be bold and take this alternative approach to electricity? Nye nya se MPP NDC ya DC bibiano. Until say your best animal, Ghana will continue to rot, and Ghana will continue to suffer, and the politics will continue to be there. Mr. President, until we are done, I am done. Thank you very much.
Ayo seta ose, o ma